Welcome back to our channel, Living an OK Life. My name is Kendra and that's Taryn.
If you keep up with our channel, you will know that we provide informational videos and vlogs about Oklahoma. So today, our topic is about tornadoes. It's only right because we live in Tornado Alley.
That is correct, Taryn. So today we have a good one for you guys. How to prepare for a tornado. Today we're going to talk about how to plan for a tornado and what to put in your emergency kit. We have Terry on the scene at the local Walmart. He's going to show you what we need to prepare for a tornado and what to put in your bag. Let's go live to him. Terry, are you there? Terry? We can't hear you.
Yes, Kendra, are you there?
Can you turn your mic up, Terry?
Kendra? All right. So we're here at your local Walmart, and we have everything you need for your emergency kit, okay? I have everything here in this basket that I'm gonna go through with you guys, okay? So the first thing you need to have is you're gonna have a lot of items. You need a crate to put it all in, okay? So you can just grab and go, okay? And we'll go through these pretty quick. You need a safe so that you can put all of your documents, important documents, IDs, passports in, okay? If anyone gets hurt, you need a first aid kit, just if any complications happen. So if you have kids, sometimes they will need to be occupied with something. I mean, if a tornado is going on, you need to be occupied. So you can get them a coloring book, something to occupy their time, okay? It's always recommended to have a bottle of water, okay, for everyone in there. People will get dehydrated. For your radio, and whatever else has battery powered, like here your flashlight, you will need extra batteries to help them out, okay? If you have a child or infant, it'd be good to give them some kind of snack or something because you have no idea how long you're gonna be underneath there, okay? So something to give them something to eat if you have an infant or a child, okay? If you are, for some reason, trapped or you need to get someone's attention, a whistle is good to have so you can get their attention. It does tend to get hot. If your power goes out, you will not have any AC. Maybe a little fan will help you out. Or you can get a bigger fan. It just depends on what you would like. All right, so that will wrap it up. That's everything you'll need in your emergency kit. You can customize it how you want it, but that's just the basics of what you want. Let's take it back to the news team, Kendra and Taryn.
Thank you for that valuable information, Terry.
Now, let's turn our attention to Annie. She is on the scene to inform us how to plan for a tornado. Annie, are you okay?
That was weird.
Let's turn our attention to Annie.
Yes, I'm okay. Thank you for asking. I'm currently here in Moore, Oklahoma, where many of you may know the F5 tornado that struck here just 7 years ago. Right behind me is a flat piece of land. That used to be a bowling alley. It's no longer there because of that tornado. Oklahoma is infamous for their tornadoes. You may remember the other ones, like the El Reno tornado that happened just 11 days after the Moore tornado, or the May 3rd, 1999 tornado. Tornado season here is around March through June. If you got a chance to watch this video here, then you know that you need the right ingredients for a tornado to happen. But what exactly are those ingredients? Well, most tornadoes are formed from thunderstorms. You need warm air to meet cold air and for them to combine to make an unstable atmosphere. This is the reason why tornadoes are most common this time of year. When a tornado happens, you will need to have a plan. The best plan is to prepare now and not wait. Consider where you will go. In Oklahoma City, there are no public tornado shelters, so keep that in mind. Most people have their own private tornadoes shelters built on their land, or they take shelter in the middle of their home. If you do get a tornado shelter, make sure you register it so that way emergency crews can find you in case you get stuck there. Next, you need to have a list of meeting places in case you get separated from your family and you need to contact them. If there is no power, you need emergency numbers as well. Make sure you take the extra step and write those numbers down. That way, in case you have to use a stranger's phone, you'll have those numbers prepared. Don't forget about your pets as well. Have them chipped. That way you can find them in the middle of chaos in case they get lost. Have your kit handy at home, and also probably have a small kit in your car as well. Tune into your local radio stations and your weather reports and pay attention for important updates. This is Annie reporting live from the middle of a parking lot in Moore, Oklahoma.
Thank you, Annie, for that very valuable but life-saving information, is it not?
Yes, so that really reminds me how we were not prepared in that Moore 2013 tornado.
I remember. You told me a story about you and your family had to seek shelter in this vacant storm shelter down the street, right?
Yeah, so the story behind that, we tried to get out of the neighborhood and we couldn't because all of the cars were backed up and it was too late. So we had to turn around. It was flooding and going crazy. So we had to seek shelter in a storm shelter in a vacant house that was down the street with all of our neighbors because none of them got out in time either.
Wow. It goes to show why you have to have a plan.
Yes.
Especially if you have a family, right?
Right.
So for our next segment, if you do not remember anything else, please remember this music video. It can be life-saving. Get in, get down, cover up. Get in, get down, cover up. Get in, get down, cover up. When the sound goes, you already know. Grab your kit and get down low. You're already prepared because you watched this show.
You better hold on tight with all your might, or that twist is gonna take you on a flight.
Get in, get down, cover up. Get in, get down, cover up.
Cover up.
Cover up.
Okay. That was kind of catchy. I liked that.
I like that too, boy. You will not forget. You definitely will not forget.
All right, that's going to wrap this segment up, you guys. Thank you for tuning in to Livin' in OK Live. Make sure you hit that like button on this video and subscribe to our channel to get future videos about Oklahoma. Make sure you also hit that post notification bell so you will be notified each time we release a video. We'll see you guys next time.